Ever wondered why Bali is a vegan paradise? Let's dive into the lush landscapes and vibrant culture that make this island a haven for plant-based living. Bali, with its breathtaking beauty and eco-friendly vibe, offers a unique blend of culinary delights and wellness experiences for vegans. Imagine savoring gourmet vegan cuisine while surrounded by stunning rice paddies and tropical beaches. Veganism is more than a diet, it's a lifestyle that excludes all animal products, driven by ethics, sustainability, and health. Embracing a vegan diet can lead to improved heart health, better weight management, and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Research shows plant-based diets can reduce the risk of hypertension, diabetes, and certain cancers. Bali's vegan soul food is packed with nutrient-dense alternatives that boost energy levels and overall wellness. The island's vegan-friendly resorts and wellness retreats prioritize sustainable tourism and eco-friendly practices. Ubud, known for its arts and rice paddy vistas, offers a vibrant culinary scene focused on conscious eating. In Ubud, trendy cafes serve smoothie bowls and raw desserts, perfect for a health-conscious treat. Canggu, a coastal gem, combines beach culture with creative vegan dishes, making it a must-visit for food lovers. Canggu's cafes offer coconut-based curries, tropical smoothie bowls, and artisanal pizzas topped with seasonal veggies. Seminyak takes vegan dining to the next level with luxury restaurants that emphasize sustainability and gourmet experiences. In Seminyak, you can enjoy zucchini noodle pad thai and cashew cheeses paired with organic wines. Bali's vegan-friendly activities include cooking classes, holistic spa treatments, and yoga retreats. Cooking classes in Bali highlight plant-based ingredients and teach you how to create local vegan favorites. Wellness retreats in Bali focus on yoga, meditation, and nature immersion, enhancing mind-body connection. Exploring traditional markets filled with organic produce offers a deeper cultural experience. Hidden vegan gems in Bali provide unique dining experiences with traditional Balinese cuisine from a plant-based perspective. Ubud's restaurants use organic ingredients from local farms, making it a prime spot for culinary adventure. Canggu's vibrant atmosphere and farm-to-table ethos make it a hotspot for vegan travelers. Seminyak's upscale dining experiences combine luxury with sustainability, offering personalized dietary plans. Planning a vegan vacation in Bali involves choosing vegan-friendly accommodations and mapping out culinary adventures. Eco-friendly resorts in Bali often offer personalized dietary plans and support local communities. Five Elements Retreat and the Yoga Barn are examples of vegan-friendly resorts that prioritize holistic wellness. Apps like Happy Cow can help you find nearby plant-based restaurants and cafes, enhancing your dining experience. Supporting community-oriented restaurants in Bali is vital for sustainable tourism and local economies. Booking vegan-friendly tours and activities provides cultural immersion while adhering to a plant-based lifestyle. Farm-to-table experiences and eco-trekking tours showcase Bali's commitment to sustainability and natural beauty. Yoga retreats with plant-based meal options align perfectly with vegan principles. Packing vegan snacks and essentials ensures you maintain your plant-based lifestyle while exploring Bali. Discover the ultimate vegan vacation in Bali, where culinary delights and unforgettable experiences await. Dive into the vibrant vegan culture and savor every moment.